Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Supernova Hair. And this unit that I'm showing you guys today is their curly 5x5 HD closure wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. It's 180% in density, and I do have a small cap size. So I did do some customization off camera. I went ahead and washed the unit. I used my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner. I haven't put any products on the hair yet. And then as far as the lace goes, I did go ahead and bleach my knots. The knots took so dang well, y'all. Like, y'all gonna see as soon as I put this on my head. Now, this unit does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the pre-plucked hairline is good on this unit. However, I did go in a little bit. When I say a little bit, I only went in a little bit and plucked out a little bit more hair. You really do not have to do much when it comes to the front of this hairline. How good that's looking so far, and I did not even have to put my tint spray because it is not needed at all. That's how well this lace is. Now, of course, you guys already know with the lace closure wig, your cap construction is going to be different on the side. So you're going to see that area on the side because you only have the very front area to play with as far as lace goes, but that's okay because we're still going to make this look like a frontal. See how nice that is melted in already, and I haven't even used any adhesive, and I don't plan on using any adhesive. This is going to be a glueless install. You guys have been enjoying my glueless install, and we gonna keep it up. I decided to go with a middle part, and I am using my Care wax stick, and I'm going to be using my Kendras Boutique Hotcomb just to kind of straighten it out. Now, this unit, the curls do not start at the root area, but that is okay. When it doesn't start at the root area, I like to go in with my Hotcomb and get it as flat as possible. Now, with this wax stick, you also do not need to be heavy-handed with it because a little bit definitely goes a long way. I've been having this wax stick for over a year, and I'm finally getting down to the end of it because a little bit is going to help you lay that hair down and get it nice and slick. So right here on the sides, I am going to end up creating a little bit of swoopage, and I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and I'm just going to swoop that hair over until that piece where the lace ends on the side. And I was trying to camouflage a little bit, but I really am not going to have to because of the way the hair is going to fall over. And I'm only going to be doing it on the sides. I'm not going to mess with the front of this unit. After I am satisfied with the way that the sides are looking, I'm going to go ahead and tie that down so that it could set into place because I'm not going to blow dry it. I did not put a lot of the foam, so it shouldn't take long to dry while I get this hair together. Your girl was struggling trying to tie that into a little knot so that it wouldn't move. But once I'm done with the struggle, then I'm just going to go ahead and take my clips off. And the hair looks beautiful already without any product on it. Like I said, I just only washed it using my shampoo and conditioner. I didn't put any leave-in. I wanted to go ahead and style this on camera. So I'm just going to be using my continuous water bottle and just making sure to saturate the hair. But I'm not going overboard with it because I don't want this to take all day to dry. You guys know I am going to end up diffusing this, and your arms be hurting when you start to diffuse it. And I never make sure that the hair is 100% dry. I just do it enough to where it's going to look good, and then it can air dry the rest of the way. Now, of course, if you already know how you want your unit to be parted, you can pre-style this on your mannequin head. That will definitely take a lot of time from doing all these extra steps. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the family. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel, guys, please make sure to turn those notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Y'all, when I took that scarf off from around the hairline, look how well that's melted in. And I didn't even have to do much. So let me finish this wig up before I get too excited. So I'm going to put my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum into the hair, especially because I did not let it dry down 100%. This is going to help combat any type of frizziness or flyaways, even though this hair really did not have a lot of flyaways. You will also see me kind of going back and forth in front of the hairline because I want the hair to fall a specific way. And then I'm also going to put some of my powder into the parting space just to kind of open it up. I put a little bit of powder around the front of the hairline, but it really wasn't needed. The hairline definitely speaks for itself. But I'm just trying to get the top of the hair just a little bit more flat, push up that hair in the front. And guys, I'm done. I'm done. This unit does go all the way up to 30 inches, and then you have different densities you can choose from on the website, along with different cap sizes. This density was fine for me. It took me no time to get this unit together because I love closure units. And then when you add HD into it, HD that looks like this, oh, we have a win. We have a win. I'm gonna also leave a clip towards the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like in front of the window, just because it was a little gloomy outside, but I tried to get a good shot of it without being in front of the ring light. If you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the specs down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.